Hi, Jopan.
Hello.
Can you hear me well?
Yes.
Okay, it's good to see you again today. How are you?
Fine.
Everything's nice?
Yeah.
Okay, good then. Okay, so are you gonna having a long holiday at school because of Independence Day next week?
I think I haven't checked.
Oh, but do you have any plans? Well, for this weekend, it's a long weekend, right?
No,
Not yet, or no at all?
no plans yet.
Oh, okay, okay. But actually, at school there is some there is some celebrations about the Independence Day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good to go and good to know. Okay, so actually, are you ready to continue our lessons for today?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to hear that. Okay, so actually for today we will try to continue our lessons. Okay, to still talking about OOP and last time. Do you still remember what we already learned in the last meeting? Do you still remember it, Jovan?
No.
No? You don't remember it at all? Hello?
No.
Hello, Jovan?
No.
Can you hear me?
No.
Hello, Jovan?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now, but
Sorry. Yeah, I
before
can
it's
hear you. I can
kind
hear
of. Oh, okay. So, do you still remember the topic that we discussed last meeting?
you. No.
Okay, so yeah, I think it's okay. Last time we actually already making a project, okay, about catch the turtle prototype, okay, and we also learned about how to handling the events, okay, and we actually also learned about the new functions from turtle, also about how to handle some event. So okay, actually, do you still remember about what is event in OOP?
Event. What's an event?
Do you
The
forget?
F? Uh, I don't know the name, I think.
Yeah, it's actually not the name but the definition. So event is actually something that happens when you try to click or control something. Okay.
Uh, on click.
Yeah, on click is one of the functions from what we already learned in the last meeting. C dot on click. You remember that?
I remember being confused with one of them.
Mm. It's okay. It's okay. But at least you still have something that you remember from our last project. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, nice to hear that. Okay, so actually for today, we will try to continue our lessons, but today's lesson is actually another project-based learning, but it's really more focused on the project itself. So it's actually gonna be we're gonna learn about a new functions also, but when we try to making a project, okay, you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So actually, the project that we will try to make for today is actually called the Simple Paint Project. Okay. So do you ever use or knowing about Paint application on laptop or Windows?
No.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. So Paint application is actually an application that you can use if you want to draw something. Okay. So if you want to draw or making a pictures, you can actually using Paint. It's a simple application that actually Windows give it to you if you actually ever using a Windows laptop or computer. Okay.
Okay.
And we will try to making something that less or more like that. Okay. We will try to make a simple applications that pretty much similar to that. So we will try to make how to draw something, to control the pen, to control actually our drawing with the keyboard shortcut also. So you can draw with the keyboard shortcut to control the brush, okay, and etc. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So without further ado, let's try to do the topic. And first thing first, I will try to share screen first. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so welcome to our new lessons, Module 5, Lesson 3. Okay, this is the third lessons that we actually discuss about OOP, okay, Object-Oriented Programming. And today's lesson is actually about Simple Pen Project, okay? So let's see what we actually have to prepare to make this kind of applications, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so do you see the animations?
Mm. Yes.
Yeah, this is the things that you will try to make for today. Okay, to program a simple paint project, or in other name, it's also called the graphics editor. Yeah, you can actually name it whatever you want. Okay, and as you can see in here, you can control it with your mouse, but also you can control it with your keyboard shortcut for later. Okay, you can draw something, you can fill the color inside the shape like this, and many more functions that you can do. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, so let's see our goal for today. Okay, so the goal for today is actually first thing first. When you try to making this project, okay, you can actually program the drawing of multiple graphic objects. So you can actually draw something using this device, which is mouse. And the second one is to implement the additional ability to draw using the keyboard shortcut also. So there is two devices that you use, okay? And the third one in here is actually to implement the ability to choose the color. So you can actually choose the color also. You can changing the color of the pen. And if the time permits, you can actually add a fill color into your coding. So you can actually fill the color in like in this animation below in here. You got it so far?
Um,
With our
yes.
goal. Is there any question before we continue?
No.
Okay, then let's continue. Okay, this is the mind map for the project. So as you can see, this is the that is actually gonna be divided into two big sections. The first one is the drawing object also, and the second one is working with color. So you can working with objects and working with color. For the objects, you can actually get the ability to coding how to drawing the curves, how to drawing the lines. Okay, the control by mouse and keyboard. And also with the color section, you can actually handle on how to actually changing the color of your pen and how to actually fill a color in your shape. And this both function will be controlled by the keyboard. Okay, so do you get it?
Yes.
All right, then let's continue. So before we actually go to the topic, let's try to review a little bit because in case that you kind of forget things. Okay, so how about the object first? How about properties and methods? Do you actually still remember about these things?
Yes.
Okay. What is the differences between properties and methods? Can you tell me?
Sorry, wait, my audio's glitching. What?
Or do you want me to repeat?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. So can you tell me the differences between properties and methods?
Properties is the that's like the color and stuff, right? The speed, the color, the
Mm-hmm.
I
And
forgot.
what is all of that called?
Yeah, that's the one I forgot. Uh,
It's actually called. Start with F.
features.
Yes, good. Features. Okay, this is the features for your object. That's what is it called. Okay. And how about the methods?
Yeah, this one I also don't know what it's called. Uh, code
How about the
for
methods?
um
Basically, this is a
movement. It's like a
yeah. It can be movement. It
code.
can be yeah. It can be anything, but it's actually commonly called. This is actually commands. Okay, or function. Okay.
Okay.
Because if you remember, there is a bracket that is going to be the unique thing about function as always, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So good. Let's continue. Okay, let's go to here. Do you still remember about how to handling some events with the function that we learned on click, for example? Do you still remember that?
What?
Do you still remember
Uh,
the on click function that we learned last meeting?
this one's the one I don't understand.
Oh, okay. So yeah, let's discuss about it then. So there's actually a function called onClick. Okay, the onClick function is actually an OOP function, which means how do you actually use it using this function? You actually have to assign the object, for example, the t. Okay, t dot onClick following by the bracket because it's a function. Okay, and this function is used if you want to handle some events and if you can see from the name on click, basically this function is actually try to control or try to handling the events that goes when you try to click something. So when you try to click something, okay, this function is actually try to handle that event. What is it meant? What does it means by handling the events? It means it will try to run, okay? It will try to run the custom function dev. Do you remember custom function?
Yeah.
It will run the custom function that you already made before. For example, the catch. So basically means when you try to click on the turtle or click on something, it will try to catch the turtle. It will run the catch function that you just made before. You get it?
Yeah.
You sure? Is there any questions again?
For now, no. Oh wait, what is T again? I forgot.
Oh,
The
T,
dot T.
or T dot
Yes.
is an object. T is an object because we learned about OOP, right? Object
Yeah.
oriented programming, right? So
Yeah.
basically, T is actually our target, our object. So our coding, our programming is going to be basis on targeting the object. In this case, it's called T. You got it?
Yeah. Okay.
You sure?
No.
Is there anything else you want to ask to make it better to understand about
No.
this?
No need.
Okay, then if you can see in here, for example, on click function, this function is actually targeting the object. So that's why it's actually assigned to the object. And that's why it's actually called object-oriented programming. So because this programming is have an orientations depends on the object. Okay, it gets sticky on the object. Okay, you get it?
I guess.
Okay, then good. So let's continue. Okay, qualification confirmed. Let's go to our new topic for today. Okay,
Uh,
so actually for today, we will try to learn a couple of new functions that actually you have to use when you try to making our today's project. Okay, the project is actually in here. You have to control. Okay, you have to know the function that you can use if you want. Holds down the left mouse on the turtle. So you have to know the functions that control when you try to click, okay, or hold down the left mouse button on the turtle, you have to actually make it run like this. There is a function for that. And also you're gonna learn on how to actually move the cursor. And when you try to move the cursor, it will automatically draw along with your cursor. You're also gonna learn about that. Okay? Let's see the functions. Do you see the functions in here?
uh, yes.
Okay. In here, we're actually gonna using the same old on-click function again, okay, as usual. So on-click function is actually the functions that primarily is actually used to click on something and that object will follow along what you've been clicking, okay?
Okay.
And there is actually the on drag function. This is a new function, t.onDrag, okay? The on drag is actually have the purpose to drag and drop, okay? Drag and drop the object. For example, if you're actually using pen, yeah, basically when you try to using t dot on drag, it will automatically drag your pen when you try to move your mouse or your cursor. And also it can drop when you think it's finished, draw something. You get it?
Uh, yes.
Okay. And if you can see in here, as usual, every function like on click or on drag, everything have to be assigned with a custom function, okay, in the bracket. So it's always going to be like that, okay? And let's see um, the detail on how to make this custom function draw, okay? Let's continue. Do you see the code, the sample?
Yes.
Okay, if you can see in here, all of this is actually pretty much the normal thing that like we actually always do every time we start a project, right? Do you remember it? Connecting the module. and then assign the object into your module, turtle, and then prepare some features. Do you remember it?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you see in here, our custom function for drawing is basically using a go to function from Turtle. Okay, these functions allow you to actually do some on track, all right, to to move to another functions. Oh, sorry, to move to another locations. So this is actually simple. This is just this for our draw custom function. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Next, in here, we actually gonna learn also a new thing. Okay, we're gonna learn about screen object. This is a new thing for you. Screen object. What is screen object? Okay, I want to ask you. When you try to draw something, you're gonna using your pen to draw something. Am I right?
Yes.
But if you're already holding your pen, you still need another object as a place for your drawing, right?
Yes.
And that object is called paper, it's called canvas, it's called screen, if you digital drawing or anything else, right?
Yeah.
And in this case, okay, we actually gonna do the same thing. We're gonna need a screen object, okay? Screen object. This screen object, okay, this is special for you to draw on Python. Why? Because this is the place where it can hold your drawing, okay, where it can save your drawing. You got it?
You know. Yeah.
So far, so good?
I hope.
It's okay, it's okay. Just take it slowly, okay? Okay, in here, let's learn on how to okay, creating the screen object. So, how to creating the screen object, first thing first, this is pretty much like a variable. Prepare the name for it. Most of the programmers actually using this particular name for their screen object, SCR, that stands for screen. Yeah, this is actually just to make it more understandable, okay, more convenient. SCR equals T. Why? Because this is always going to be our primary object. Primary object. Okay, so you're gonna actually always using T wherever you go. T dot get screen. Now this function is particularly to creating the screen object, get screen. So far so good.
Yeah.
Is there any questions?
No.
Okay, there's no functions. Okay, if you can see in here, now we actually already learned about on click, also about on drag. Now this time we're gonna learn about on screen click. Okay, this is actually a new functions again. On screen click, pretty much the same with the on click. Okay, pretty much the same. But the difference is, if you remember, when you try to using on click, you try to handle when you click on your pen, when you try to move your pen, right? Your cursor to draw, right? But
Yeah.
on screen click is actually a function that you can use to handle whenever you want to interact with your screen, interact with your paper to draw. Okay, this is a function that focus more on the canvas, focus more on the screen. That's why if you see the object is kind of different. The target object is now using SCR that you just made before. Not T, but SCR, because this is the screen object now. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, SCI dot on screen click. This is the function. And always, as usual, as any functions, you actually have to mention the custom function inside the on screen click. For example, in here, they actually using move, okay, as the name. Let's see the detail. What is the move function? Yeah, if you can see in here, this is the move function. Pan up, go to, and pan down. Pan up is actually to move alongside the screen. Go to is actually try to follow along the canvas. And pan down is actually when you start to draw something. Okay, do you get it?
I hope.
It's okay. But well, before I continue, is there any questions?
No.
Okay. So I think let's take a little bit of explanations more on the keyboard shortcut right now. Okay, this is the last explanation before we actually do the project. Okay, the keyboard events. So how to actually assign the keyboard button, the keyboard shortcut into your workspace. Okay, so in here, let's go to here. Okay, we're gonna have some introductions with these new functions. The first one is called listen, and the second one is actually called on key. So what is the purpose of using these two functions? Listen is actually try to tell the screen object to listen to your keyboard keys, to your keyboard shortcut. Basically to giving your object, okay, your works, your canvas, your screen, the ability to listen to what you press on your keyboard. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, now the on key function basically more the same like on click or on screen click. Whenever you click on your keyboard shortcut, it will try to do what is already assigned to that button. For example, if you actually do you ever play PUBG Mobile or maybe
No.
any first person shooter game, FPS game? Do you ever
Yes.
play that? You're always using
Yes.
WADS to to move forward, back down, left and right. Am I right?
Yes.
Basically, that's the function of on key. So whenever you go click W, for example, it will move forward. Whenever you click on A, it will go left. Something like that. That's the purpose of using on key. Do you get it?
Yes.
And if you see in the parameter, on key functions have two parameters. The first one is the name of the functions, and also the second one is the keyboard key that you want to assign. For example, if you actually, for example, you want to, make it go forward. Yeah, just first parameter, you can actually name it maybe forward. Okay, this is the name. And just assign the keyboard keys that you want to use if you want to go forward. For example, W. Yeah, just doing it like this for the parameter. You get it?
Yes.
Is there any questions?
Hmm. No.
Okay. So this is how it's going to be look like on the code. I will give you time to analyze the code. Tell me if you're done.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Not really.
Which part that you still confused?
Uh, actually, I
Which part?
think I wait. This, okay, never mind. I take it back. I think I get it.
Okay, good then. You sure?
No.
Okay. I think it's gonna be far more understandable if we actually go to do the practice, okay? Okay, so let's, before we do the practice, as usual, I will give you the link so you can save and download the PowerPoint, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do you see the link that I sent?
Yes.
Okay, you can save and download. And let's do the project then. You can log in and share screen if you're ready.
Wait. Uh,
Can you do it?
Wait, this is the wrong one. Uh, Wait, I have to re-sign. Mm.
Resign?
I accidentally closed the tab.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Um,
All right. Okay, let's go to number one, the simple paint project. Yeah, you can just skip this part. This is just the theory. Okay, go to number two. All right, here we go. So, what is the first thing that you have to make or you have to create? Good, as usual.
Wait, what else?
Now, time to assign the features, right?
Yeah. So
Okay, you
the
can
stuff
actually
is,
using, no, not that. Assign the
uh,
object first, right?
uh,
T, yeah,
wait, does it have this?
yeah, just like that. Good. And then now let's set some features with our new object. You can actually
So
assign
color.
color. Color. You can actually assign also the width. Why? Because now our object is going to be used for pen, right? To to brush things. So you have using width, also the shape, and also the pen down function also for to draw, and also the speed for your brush. So how to assign these features into your object?
Wait, what's wrong? T dot through.
Okay,
This
T
one,
dot
right?
width. Good. Yeah. Five. Yeah.
Shape is circle.
And the color?
The color, I don't know.
No.
Blue?
T dot shape, not circle. No. Not the circle function, but the shape function. Okay. But using the circle as a shape.
Like this?
Don't forget the quotation.
Okay.
Yep. The color.
Uh,
I think blue,
what's the
right?
color?
As
Blue?
the initial color, yeah. Blue.
Okay.
Width. is correct. Blue. What else? The speed. Okay. T dot
Mm,
speed. Good. And T dot pen down. Yeah, good. Okay, what else? Do you still remember?
Death.
Yeah, that. Good. What is the first custom function that we will try to make?
Draw.
Good. And don't forget, if you want to draw, it means you're gonna draw along the coordinates, right?
Yes.
So don't forget to
Go
assign
to, wait,
the
X1 here.
parameter. Yeah.
X1. Go to X1.
Go to, hey, don't forget, go to OOP. So you have to using object. Yeah.
What?
What is the next custom function?
Go to.
No. Oh, for
Uh,
draw is only go to. It's already done for the draw.
okay. So now this
No,
shape.
no, no. It's already correct. Why you erase it?
Oh, because you said it was already done, so I thought.
Uh, yeah,
Oh,
just like that. It's already done. So you don't have to add another T dot.
oh, but is there something else?
No, just that.
Oh, okay.
Now let's make another def. What is another def?
Uh,
When you try to move your cursor, right?
yeah, so dot move.
Oh, good. Don't
Is
forget
there the
also the
XY?
coordinates. Yeah, as usual. What is it
Uh,
inside? No.
first, and,
And up, and then
go to,
good, and then sorry. Yeah, and then
I forgot.
always comes a package with pen up.
Pen down.
Yeah,
I
and
forgot
don't
the
forget.
T.
Yeah,
Mm,
nice. Okay, what is the next custom
OCP.
function?
Yeah, draw, move, screen.
No, it's actually to setting the color because if you remember, we can actually changing the color to another color besides blue, right? So
So, color.
let's try to assign the color. But yeah, let's make it name first. The color is actually red, um, blue, and green. Three colors. So you can name it first. Oh no, not like this, not like this.
Uh,
Prepare the name first, and then you can actually using color function.
red, I guess.
No, don't using red because maybe you can set red if you want to make it
Huh?
because
Sat.
it's actually a
Uh,
setting. Set the red. Yeah, like that. Okay. T dot color. No, no. Okay, okay. Set blue, set green.
what?
Green. Okay, good. What is the function inside every dev? Yeah. Good. Yep. It's like that. Don't forget the quotation. Okay, nice. So red, green, and blue, it's done. What is the next custom function that you have to prepare?
Um, how do you change color?
Yeah, no, it's on the system later. But the next custom function that you're gonna use is actually you have to make a custom function to step up, step left, down, and right. Okay.
So it's the movement, the click. I forgot what's the
Yeah, you can actually make a name first for the dev, like the previous one. So prepare those for direction. Dev, maybe step up, step down, step left, step right, maybe, if I can suggest. Okay.
way. What?
Okay, good. Now let's try to fill. So what can you tell me what is the function that you use if you want to move somewhere else from the turtle?
I forgot the
Start with
keybind
T.
one.
There is
Uh,
actually three more
three.
letters.
Uh,
What is it called? You you already used it before.
go to
Yeah, that's the function. Our lovely functions. Go to. So you can assign it first, yeah. Go to for every depth.
X and Y.
Later, we're gonna discuss it later. Just go to first for every function. Up, down, left, and right. It's gonna be a little bit different. Hey, nice. Let's talking about the step up first, okay? When you want to go up. Okay. Do you notice that go to is always gonna be using x comma y as a coordinate? Am I right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Now,
One.
oh, by the way, I'm kind of forgot. I think you actually have to prepare in here after pen down. Please prepare a new variable called
X
step.
and Y.
No,
Uh,
just step. A new variable. Step, yeah,
uh,
equals 15. Yeah, this is actually going to be used for this function. Okay, so bear with me, okay? Let's continue our discussion. So, do you
oh,
notice that GoTo is always going to be using coordinates x comma y? You get it?
yes.
But this time we're gonna program it. We're gonna program it a little bit different. Why? Because we're actually gonna assign, okay, our yeah, our regular step when you try to click forward. When you go up, there's actually a regular count. How long or how big you can go up, how big you can go down, left and right. So there is actually a measurement in here. Okay. So we're gonna actually try to change a little bit our x comma y into this function. Oh, wait a second. Okay, it's gonna be x core and y core. Do you remember this function?
The coordinates, current coordinates or
Yeah, the
something.
coordinates. Good. Yeah, we're gonna actually using this function x core and y core, but we're gonna actually doing it with the object because this is OOP. T dot x core, comma T dot y core. So yeah, let's make it for every function. So hey, don't forget the bracket because it's a function.
Okay, wait.
Uh, Not like that.
Huh?
X X core bracket. Not
Yeah,
not like
what
that.
you mean? My bad.
Yeah.
Boy.
In here, don't forget.
Yes.
Okay. Make it the same for everything. Okay. Now, after we prepare it, now I want to ask you, when you want to step up, when you want to go up, um, the measurement is changing in the terms of y-axis or x-axis.
When you wanna go up, it's why?
Why? So it's actually the y core is gonna be become bigger as a numbers, right? Because we want to go up, right?
Yes.
So it means how to program it just simply in the
Plus
y core
equal.
section plus step that you just prepared before plus step variable.
Wait, what?
So t dot y core, okay, plus step.
Oh, inside?
No, outside. After the bracket, like this.
Oh, okay. My gosh. See. Where's my
Uh,
caps?
plus, not
Oh,
equal.
sorry. What's this? Wait.
Okay, good. That's how to move forward. Oh, that's how to move to step up. Now I want to ask you how to go down. Can you do it? Can you tell me
First,
what is the
minus
changing?
step. Right?
No, to go down, it's actually not the X
Is,
score that is changing. Because if you want to go down, if you want to go down, what axis that are changing?
the y.
Yeah, the y. So it means t dot y core minus, right?
Oh, wait.
Because
I did it wrong. Let's see.
yeah,
Oh, what? This my head hurts.
yeah, t dot y core. No,
It's,
no, 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 not
wait.
like this
Sorry.
format. It's always in this format. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Uh,
Good.
so
How
if
about
it's
go to the
right,
right?
you plus. This one's plus.
Plus. Good. How about go left? Good. So far, so good. You get it?
Yes.
Okay, now just two more custom function to fill the color. Do you remember what is the function to fill the color?
Start, fill color, end color.
No,
Start fill, end fill. I forgot.
no.
Begin. Yeah.
Begin fill and
End fill.
okay. Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay, now let's make a def for each of these functions. So you can actually make a new def in here. Maybe something like def start fill, maybe start fill and def end fill.
Uh,
Yeah, just like that. For example.
uh,
Okay, for each custom function, just assign the function t dot begin fill, t dot end fill. Nicely done. Now we're gonna actually try to execute the system because we already set up our preparation. all of this is actually called the preparation. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go to the system. First thing first that you're gonna make basically just on drag. Do you remember about on drag?
Yes.
Okay, just make it in here. T dot on drag. It means you want to drag something, right? And
Then the
you
code.
want to, yeah, what is the function that you have to assign inside the on drag?
Move.
No, draw, because you're gonna moving on drag is actually to move the cursor, right? So it's draw to move. Okay, you get it?
Oh, yes. We have touch.
Okay, now after that, let's try to actually go to SCR. Do you still remember about screen object?
No.
The things that we actually discussed earlier when you try to prepare your canvas as a place to start saving your drawing,
Yeah.
how to creating one. SCR equals, do you remember?
No.
T,
Screen.
no, T dot, what is the function? Start with G.
Uh, go to nowhere.
Get,
Get screen.
yeah, get screen.
Oh.
Don't forget the function always have a bracket. Okay, good. Now, after you already creating your screen object, now you can actually using any screen function. For example, you can actually using also scr dot on screen click. Do you remember on screen click to click on your uh, canvas?
Screen.
Click.
Yes.
No, not inside. On screen click. This is the name.
Oh.
On screen click. Good. And what is the function that you have to assign inside on screen click?
Move. Move.
Good. Okay, now after on-screen click, you already assign everything. Now, let's prepare the keyboard shortcut. Okay, the keyboard shortcut. What is the function for setting up the keyboard shortcut? SCR dot
Keyboard shortcut.
on
Oh. Oh.
with K,
Oops.
two letters.
On. Uh,
On key. SCR dot on key. Okay, you can uh, type it.
repeat.
Okay, now SCR dot on key is actually to make a keyboard shortcut for every function that you just make in here. Set red, set blue, set green, up, down, right, left. Everything in here is actually for your own key function. So you can mention the
Mm.
name. For example, let's make a set red first. For the red color,
Oh.
set red.
Oh. Oh. Mm. Wait. Wait, what? That red?
Inside the bracket. Inside the bracket
Okay.
of on key. So SCR dot on key set red.
Oh.
Okay, and then comma. Yeah, just using as a keyboard shortcut, for example.
What? And the others are at the same thing.
Yeah, just do the same thing for the blue, the green, up, down, right.
Why can't I select?
On key, on key, on key.
What the hell? What? Wait, I can't select. Why can't I select?
I don't know.
Even though I can. Oh, okay. Why can't I click? What?
Good. The color
Okay.
is done. Now the movement.
Same, pretty much.
Same.
Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, so much better. Okay.
O- Okay.
Wait.
Up, comma. Nah. If okay. Wait, yeah, you can actually using VASD if you want.
Wait, second. Wait. D.
You sure? Go to the left. D.
Oh, wait.
So it should
Oh,
be A.
yeah. Like that.
Okay, now this one. The start fill and end fill. Don't forget about it. On key also.
Okay.
Typo. Don't forget typo.
Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, what do I type?
Maybe F, if I can suggest.
F and G, maybe.
No, just F button.
I mean, like, for info.
Oh, for N, it's E.
You know. Okay. Let's do it. Wait, what do I want? Oh, E.
Okay, now the last function is actually in after this is actually the listen function to make the screen listen to your all keyboard shortcut that you just made. Okay, nice. You finished. Let's try to checklist first. Checklist, checklist, checklist.
Okay. Wait.
Uh,
So sweet.
Click the yellow button. Okay, now let's try to execute. Oh, do you want to execute it or not?
I just automatically kicked me out. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, so I have to be on it. Oh,
You can prepare. You can try the keyboard shortcut maybe to change the color, for example,
E-
or
yes.
to go up. Is it working?
This feels like a game I played. Oddly familiar.
Can you change the color?
Uh,
Yes. Yes. Nice. Is it fun?
it's fine. And then E. Yeah,
Yeah.
this.
Okay. Can you stop the share screen?
Mhm.
Okay. Do you enjoy it so far?
No, it was too difficult.
Yeah, I know, because the first time, right?
Yep,
But you can actually see that the project is actually simple, but it's a long code for a simple project, right?
yep.
Can you imagine become a real programmer
Not yet.
to make a complicated application? How long the code is gonna be? Okay, so yeah, can you tell me before we close what you already learned so far today?
I can't remember. SCR on click on drag function. What else?
Good.
Oh gosh, I can move.
To control the
Uh,
keyboard shortcut,
uh, listen on key
to drag the mouse.
on drag.
I think you already got some things. Okay, so thank you for today. I hope you get to enjoy our lessons, and we'll see you at the next meeting. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye, Jovan. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.